In this video, we introduce Cyto, an actuated smartwatch for extended interactions. 5 different watch face movements are incorporated into interaction techniques to address limitations of fixed watch face. A smartwatch's small size and wearable context can lead to issues during some activities. For example, when carrying an object with 2 hands, it's hard to read an incoming message without putting the objects down. A watch can be covered by a long sleeve. If your hands are dirty, it's hard to raise your sleeve and check an incoming message. Our proof of concept prototype is modular with 3 actuation modules. The top module has a working LCD display. Actuation motors and sensors are connected to an Arduino controller by a laptop over Bluetooth. Our watch can be actuated in 5 ways: translating along the forearm, hinging on side, orbiting around the wristband, rotating on its normal axis, and rising vertically. These movements can be repeated, like repeating hinge to reassemble a mouth. Different movements can combine together to create more complex movements. For example, rotation with translation, hinging with translation, or rotation, hinging, and translation. Our prototype places electronics and batteries in an external control box worn on the upper arm. To see how this would work in context, we demonstrate how our prototype enables new interactions. Now, when carrying an object with 2 hands, the watch face can orbit around the band to make an incoming message visible. When the watch is covered by a sleeve and your hands are dirty, the watch face can translate out to show a message. If an emergency call comes while you're playing a game and wearing a headset, the watch face keeps rotating back and forth to indicate an emergency call. If a message about lunch arrives, the watch can hinge open and close like a mouth. If an email arrives while you're not wearing the watch, like when you're taking a shower, the face can rotate 45 degrees to physically indicate the missed notification. If you need to use the watch for navigation and messaging, the watch face can rotate to indicate the direction while keeping the display focused on the message.